Hello guys, welcome back to the next video. So today I'm going to discuss some of the basic keyboard shortcuts that you can use within your Linux terminal to increase your productivity. So first of those key is the tab key, and the tab key is used for auto completion of your file name, directory name, or the command name. So as you can see that I have this file and I want to print the content of this file. So I can write cat in the file name, but the thing is I don't want to write the full file name, as it's no, you don't have to write the long name. So instead of writing complete name, you write some of the part of the name and press tab. It will auto complete for you. Same goes for the commands. Suppose you want to write history command, you write his and then tab, it will auto complete for you. And the next of those keyboard shortcuts, suppose you are in some command. Suppose I'm using in this command and I want to kill this command and come out of it. So I'm gonna use Ctrl+C shortcuts to come out of the command. And in any case you're writing some, doing some stuff like I'm doing here some stuff, and I don't want to kill the command using Ctrl+C, but I want to do something else. Instead of killing the command, you can use Ctrl+Z. As you can see, it stopped. It's basically mean that the thing I'm using nano command is put into background, and you can do whatever stuff you want to do, and then you can go back to whatever you were doing before pressing Ctrl+Z using FG command, as you can see here. So I'm back to whatever I was doing here. So I'm going to exit. And suppose sometimes you wrote so much commands and your terminal got messy, so you have to write clear, clear to clean your the terminal screen. There's a shortcut key shortcut for it too. You're gonna do Ctrl+L and it will clear the screen for you. Suppose you're writing some command, hey, and you want to go to the very beginning of that command or that line. You can use a key shortcut that is Ctrl+A. As I can see that I'm at the beginning of the line, and suppose you want to go at the end of the line, you can also go to the end of line using Ctrl+E. So Ctrl+A will move to the beginning of the line, and Ctrl+E will move you to the end of the line. And you're writing some command like this and like this, whatever it can be, and your cursor is here and you want to delete whatever is before the cursor. You can delete using Ctrl+U. So whatever before the cursor, it will get deleted using Ctrl+U. And of course, if you want to delete whatever comes after the cursor, you can also do that using Ctrl+K. So Ctrl+U to delete whatever comes before the cursor, Ctrl+K to delete or erase whatever comes after the cursor. And there's also a shortcut that is Ctrl+W. Suppose you don't want to delete everything that comes before the cursor, you want to just delete a single word that comes before the cursor. In this case is EJB. You just want to delete EJB but not these two. So there's a shortcut for it too. Instead of Ctrl+U that will erase everything before the cursor, you're gonna use Ctrl+W that will only delete a single word before the cursor. And as you know that we have discussed Ctrl+U, Ctrl+K and Ctrl+W that erase something from your terminal. So to get those things that you have erased previously using these three command, you can use Ctrl+Y. So the last thing that we have erased was EJB, so you can get that back using Ctrl+Y. Suppose I'm here and I used Ctrl+U to delete these two words. I can get those two words back by using Ctrl+Y, as you can see that here. And suppose you want to run your previous command, or you want to see your previous command, you can use up arrow key to go to your previous command, and you can use down key to go to the next command. So to go to the previous command using up key and up arrow key, and go to the next command using down arrow key. And suppose you want to rerun certain commands that you last ran 2 or 3 days back, you can use a shortcut that is Ctrl+R to search for that. In my case, I'm going to search for the find command. So I found a matching, that is find and type file. Suppose if you want to toggle between all those matching searches, you can again press Ctrl+R, and you can see that I have lots of matching command, and you want to run those command, you can press enter and it will run you the command in your terminal. And of course you want to, and in some cases you don't want to run any command, you just want to get out of the reverse I search, you can use Ctrl+G to get out of it. Suppose you wrote some command and the output of that command is sensitive, or you don't want others to see the output of the command, and you don't want others to see whatever you're writing in your terminal. There is a shortcut to freeze the output of a terminal using, and that is Ctrl+S. So whatever you write in your terminal, or whatever the output your command will give, it won't show until and unless you press Ctrl+Q to unfreeze it. So this echo, I have written it when the screen was frozen. To freeze the output of your screen, print Ctrl+S and write whatever you want, it won't show on your terminal screen. And if you want to unfreeze, you're gonna press Ctrl+Q to see what you have written. And the final shortcut key that I'm going to show you is Ctrl+D. So Ctrl+D will basically kill your terminal just like that. So if you like our video, consider a share, a subscribe and a like. Bye bye, thank you, see you later.